Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in module 1 of the lesson Force, Energy and Simple Machines. In this module, we will learn about contact forces, field forces and different types of energy. A force is a push or pull on an object. A force can move an object, stop a moving object, change the speed or direction of a moving object, and change the shape of an object. We apply a force to throw a ball, stop a moving ball, and move a box from one place to another. All these actions require us to be in contact or touch with the object. Can we move an object without touching it? Let us explore. There are two types of forces, contact forces and field forces. Contact forces. Contact forces happen when objects touch each other. Types of contact forces include frictional forces, muscular forces, and elastic forces. Frictional force. It is a force that acts between two objects that are in contact with each other. It slows down or stops the movement between two surfaces that are touching each other. Uses of friction. The friction between tires of a car and bicycle helps the vehicle to get a grip on the road. Friction between the sole of our feet and the ground prevents slipping while walking. Writing with a pencil requires friction. Muscular force. Muscular force happens when we push or pull something using our muscles. Opening the door, kicking a football, picking an apple, pushing a box on the floor, and lifting weight are examples of muscular force. Elastic force. When the rubber band is stretched, it resists the change in its shape. The rubber band exerts a force in the opposite direction called elastic force. The elastic force causes the rubber band to return to its original position. A bowstring, a rubber band, a spring, and a bungee jumping cord are examples of elastic force. Field forces. Field forces happen when two objects interact without touching each other. Field forces can create a push or pull even at a distance. Gravitational force. When an apple detaches from a tree, it is pulled by Earth towards its surface. This force with which Earth pulls everything towards its surface is called Earth's gravitational force or gravity. Gravity makes things falls to the ground. It keeps us attached to the ground. It holds the atmosphere in place. Magnetic force. When we take a magnet towards some paper clips or iron nails, the paper clips or iron nails get pulled towards the magnet and stick to it. This force with which a magnet pulls some material towards itself is called magnetic force. Work. Work refers to an activity involving a force and movement in the direction of the force. Work is not done when there is no movement. Activities like reading, sleeping, or thinking are not considered work scientifically. So, my dear students, we will learn about energy and machines in next module. Thank you.